Rows of vibrant Bengali sweets shimmer on glowing trays, enticing the viewer into a world of culinary delight.
Macro close-ups reveal velvet kheer sandesh, ghee-glowing laddus, and malai sweets, creating a sensory feast.
Experience the true essence of tradition. This is Sweet Misti, where every bite is a journey into pure perfection and exquisite flavor. A soothing voice invites viewers into Sweet Misti's world, as delicate steam rises, catching warm light. Narration promises purity and perfection, revealing a majestic spread of Sweet Misti's culinary artistry.
Sunrise bathes a peaceful green farm.
Workers milk cows hygienically, pure white milk flowing into gleaming stainless steel containers.
Explaining nature's role as pure white milk flows into containers, emphasizing freshness. Fresh, wholesome cow's milk is not just an ingredient, but the very soul of every traditional Bengali sweet produced by Sweet Misti. Refrigerated tank trucks gleam as workers efficiently pump fresh milk into sealed, temperature-controlled tanks. Narration explains safe transport as tank trucks wind through picturesque countryside roads, delivering fresh milk.
Inside a modern facility, technicians meticulously test incoming milk, ensuring purity with advanced equipment.
Digital screens display perfect milk quality readings. The technician nods in approval.
We confirm that only the absolute best milk is selected, reinforcing our unwavering commitment to quality and thorough testing.
Narration concludes, every milk drop tested, technician handles sample, conveying precision and responsibility. Giant boilers heat milk, generating impressive steam clouds, creating a dramatic, transformative atmosphere.
Lemon essence is carefully added to heated milk, magically separating it into silky channa and clear whey.
Workers stir bubbling milk with long paddles, guiding the curd's transformation with hands-on expertise.
Narration introduces the magical moment as pure milk transforms into soft, silky channa. This perfectly formed channa is truly the beginning of every Sweet Misti delight.
Newly formed channa is poured into cloth filters. Excess water drains in shining streams, ensuring optimal texture.
Hydraulic machines press channa into uniform blocks, showcasing efficiency and consistency. A close-up reveals a pristine, smooth, wet channa block, perfectly formed and ready.
From raw milk to this pristine block, every step, filtration, pressing, and preparation is meticulous.
Channa is the heart of our sweets, gently handled, emphasizing its purity and importance. Giant rotating mixers blend channa with sugar, creating a perfect, cohesive, sweet base. Robotic arms precisely shape rasgollas, while skilled workers handcraft rajbhog and chamcham with artistry. Dough transforms into soft spheres for rasgollas and elegant long shapes for chamcham, each an artistic testament. Each sweet takes form, mixed with care, shaped with artistry, ready for the next stage.
Huge steel cauldrons bubble with golden sugar syrup, releasing fragrant steam, setting the stage for sweetness. Saffron threads fall gracefully into bubbling golden syrup, imparting rich color and exotic aroma. Cardamom powder swirls gracefully in fragrant steam, adding an exquisite layer of aroma and flavor. Narration introduces our rich, fragrant golden signature syrup, shimmering, bubbling, enticingly spiced.
This syrup gives Sweet Misti its irresistible juiciness, defining taste and texture.
Rasgollas drop into boiling syrup, magically swelling, absorbing sweetness, transforming in size and texture. Chamcham simmers in thick saffron syrup, slowly absorbing rich color and flavor, visually appealing.
Laddus are meticulously mixed with roasted flour and pure ghee, forming a rich, aromatic dough.
Sweets bounce, expand, absorb flavor in syrup, Dynamic movement showcases perfect juiciness and texture.
Narration confirms sweets come alive in vats, soaking sweetness, developing perfect texture, culinary magic.
Cooked sweets are carefully placed on long cooling conveyors, emphasizing gentle, crucial post-cooking handling. Fans blow gentle air, carefully cooling sweets on conveyors, ensuring optimal softness and flavor.
To lock in every delicate flavor and preserve optimal softness, each sweet undergoes a precise cooling process.
Almond flakes are meticulously sliced and gently placed onto sweets, adding texture and sophistication.
Delicate silver varak foil is gently adorned onto sweets, adding a regal, luxurious, shimmering finish.
Workers meticulously arrange decorated sweets on premium trays, creating an enticing, visually stunning display. Narration introduces elegant final touches of nuts, saffron, silver leaf. Fully decorated trays exude royal luxury. Robotic machines carefully place decorated sweets into clear trays, highlighting modern efficiency. Clear trays of sweets are instantly sealed, preserving freshness. Automated process ensures secure packaging.
Conveyor belts carry sealed boxes, boldly displaying Sweet Misty, emphasizing production line efficiency.
Boxes are printed with Sweet Misty, brick fresh, soft and juicy, reinforcing brand's commitment to quality. Every box carries Sweet Misty, a promise of purity, sealed and branded.
Robotic forklifts efficiently stack Sweet Misty boxes in cold rooms, ensuring perfect freshness and preservation. Pallets are neatly arranged, ensuring systematic storage and retrieval, highlighting efficiency and order.
Delivery trucks, loaded with Sweet Misty, leave the factory, heading to various destinations. From the dairy farm, to the factory, to your home. Sweet Misty, where every bite is happiness.